Hey everybody, I'm back at the John Day River today to snorkel around, and I brought my metal detector. So I'm going to explore for a little bit and then I'll grab that. So let's go see what we can find.
One of the neat things about snorkeling here with my metal detector is that the bass followed it around. I think they were waiting for me to stir up the rocks to find some crawdads or other little creatures. One thing I like about this metal detector, it's a Garrett AT Pro, and it can go underwater. And I forget how deep it can go, not real deep, but snorkel depth is fine. So that was just a big chunk of iron and metal thingy. And I rechecked the hole and there was nothing else there. The bass enjoyed checking out the hole as well. I also went over to the deeper area where people like to swim and jump off. And there were a couple of larger bass here that decided to swim off into the shadows. I also found a couple of things coming up.
Oh, got another fishing lure. Got caught on a piece of barbed wire. That's weird. It was a wonderful time snorkeling and looking for stuff. Didn't find anything good, but oh well. It's a wonderful day at the John Day River. And I saw a bunch of bass, and I saw one big catfish, and some crawdads.
This part of the video is some bass footage that I got over by the bridge in the shade. I actually took this first when I got into the river, but my GoPro had accidentally got stuck on time warp speed, so I slowed the video down so you could actually see the fish that I saw, and there were some bigger ones over in the shade. better to watch this on a bigger screen where you can really see the fish. That skinny fish might be a different species, like a whitefish or something. And the only other species I saw was, I think, a bluegill, and I did see like maybe a foot or foot and a half long catfish that I didn't get any video of. Join me in these next videos for some more metal detecting. Also check out my channel Seize the Day to see my other nature videos and my first metal detecting videos. Please subscribe if you haven't yet and smash that like button. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.